Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your OnDeck account. Follow these steps to enable it. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the OnDeck website and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Find security settings. In the account settings menu, look for a section labeled Security or Security Settings. Click on it to proceed to the security options. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Within the security settings, locate the option for two-factor authentication. Toggle the setting to enable it and follow any prompts that appear. Step 5. Verify your method. Choose your preferred method for receiving the authentication code, such as SMS or an authentication app. Follow the instructions to verify this method, ensuring that 2FA is fully set up. After completing these steps, your OnDeck account will be more secure with two-factor authentication enabled. Make sure to keep your authentication method accessible for future logins.